Good morning, inflatable fans. I hope you're all well. I'm doing a bit of a paddle this morning, quite a long one. Bit of a test run really for something else. But while I was here, considering I did the video to do with getting in and out of the kayak from a bang, I thought I'd just show you a couple of ways of getting in and out of a kayak as a water launch. So you've got the straddle. Straight in. If you get in from the side, what you need to do is make sure you offset the weight on both sides. And in. Just shuffle your legs in. This one has a slightly beveled base, so it is just that little bit more rocky on the water. But nevertheless, it's just the same. You're just going to get in, reach for the other side, and sit in. You can see it's a little bit rockier. Okay, that's it, you're in. Same principle when it comes for getting out. Hands on the side, push off on the far side of the craft and just lift yourself out and onto the shore. Okay, that's all for now. I hope you've enjoyed this, and most of all, I hope you found it useful. If you have, please give the video a thumbs up. If you don't like it, give it a thumbs down. It's up to you. If you like what I'm doing on this channel, please subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything and it really does help. It just means that when you open up YouTube, there'll be a little one of those little red notifications to say that I've uploaded a new video. Thank you so much for watching. You take care and I'll see you soon. Cheerio.